Oh, there's a river that winds on forever. I'm gonna see where it leads. Oh, there's a mountain that no man has mounted. I'm gonna stand on a peak. Out there's a land that time don't command. Wanna be the first to arrive. No time for pondering why. I'm wondering on why we both still alive. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? There's a world that was meant for us to see. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? If you won't have a say, my university. Oh, there's an island where all things are silent. I'm gonna whistle a tune. Oh, there's a desert that size can't be measured. I'm gonna count on the dunes. Out there's a world that calls for the girl, heading out into the unknown. With fear and strangers and all kinds of danger. Please don't say I'm going alone. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? There's a world that was meant for us to see. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? If you won't ever say my university. For you, baby, doesn't mean I'm ready to stay. What good is living the life you've been given if all you do is stand in place? I'm on a river that winds on forever. Follow till I get where I'm going. Maybe I'm heading to die, but I'm still gonna try. I guess I'm going home.
I knew you were coming.
It feels like just yesterday we were in our Richmond Forest apartment standing in my room saying I love you for the first time. And I didn't know at that moment that it was possible to fall even more in love with you each day. We have now been officially together for over 2,000 days. And to think about all that we've been through excites me for the next 10,000 together. Coming home to you and being each day is the most special part of the day for me. I'm reminded of just how lucky I am to have you in my life when I walk into the house to both of you smiling and greeting me with a warm hug and kiss.
I wanna go
I have and always will say that one of my favorite traits about you is your kind heart. It is selfless, it is warm, and it is one of the first things I grew to love about you. And every person you meet, you not only find, but brighten their inner light. Anthony, all I can say is that I am not complete without you. You are my rock, you are my home. With you, I feel safe. You have shown me what unconditional love feels like, and I vow to show you the same love for the rest of my life. I promise to always put your needs and the needs of our family before my own and anybody else's. I give you my hand and my heart as a sanctuary of warmth and peace. I pledge my love, devotion, and honor as I join my life to yours. You are my person, my love, and my life today and always. You are the epitome of everything I have ever looked for in another human being. There isn't another soul on this planet who has ever made me feel half the person I am when I'm with you.
Draw a big X in the middle of Mexico City. If we break down, we can picture right. A couple of long-haired hippies. Get lost any way we like. You're dancing the way this rhythm. I'm moving to the rhythm of you. We ain't got nothing but
1, 2, 3.
Alexis Riley Bowman, today is the day. A day where I get to marry the love of my life.
got something to tell you.
For as long as I can remember, I envisioned my wife being beautiful inside and out, funny, strong-willed, caring, adventurous, athletic, selfless, and loyal. Anyone who knows you knows that perfectly describes you, Lex. Nothing gives me more comfort knowing you'll be by my side as we take on life together. It's gonna be fun. From this day forward, I promise to always protect you, to always be your rock that you can lean on, to challenge you to be a better person, to always appreciate you and our love. Always be the goofy guy who puts a smile on your face. To always put you before anything else in my life. And to provide you with endless love regardless of circumstances. I also vow to push myself to be better in all aspects each and every day. I promise to be the best husband and best friend you could ever ask for. And hopefully one day the best father.
By the Universal Life Church in the great state of Florida, I am so happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. And this is for Radio!
All right, Alexis. It's tough for me. It's tough, but giving you away to Anthony makes it so much easier. He's such a wonderful person. you've chosen so wisely. And I know you two are going to make a wonderful husband and wife. You bring so much happiness and joy to me. You know, 26 years ago, I made a promise to love and protect you forever. And I'll never stop honoring that promise. Never forget that. I love you very, very much. Mom and Daddy love you very, very much. I hope you have a wonderful wedding. I hope the day is magical, a day that you'll never forget. So to you and Anthony, I love you so very much.